Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to finally be back home. If you have been following me on my Instagram stories, you might have seen that I was in the Philippines for almost 3 full weeks. I just got home today, literally my second red eye of 2 red eye flights that it takes to get home, landed at 6 a.m. Okay, I'm very tired. The first thing I did was shower because it was a long journey. And then I just wanted to sit down and film this for you because some of the things I'm going to share, there are some very exciting, time-sensitive sales going on. So I wanted to share them with you before the sale expires. I do have a couple more videos coming from my trip, so this is a little bit out of order, but again, I wanted to share with you some of these sales before they're over. First up, a very unexpected surprise that I received when I got home was a gift from Chanel, and you might have seen this already online. I shared this gift when I got it last year, and I was so excited to see that it made its way back to me this year in February. Compliments of the house. Thank you for being a loyal Chanel client. Here it is. It is the Chanel VIP gift, and this is from Chanel Beauty, not the Chanel leather goods, Chanel ready to wear. Ooh, very pretty. So we have the red snow globe. I love the design. Look at that. It's so cute. It's a number 5 bottle with the little Chanel packaging, and the packaging is the same holiday packaging they had this year. You have the Chanel Beauty bag with the little red camellia back there. And just for reference, I'll show you last year's. So the same design on the inside, but with the gold base. So this design has stars this year because their theme was like stellar something. This is last year's. Shake it up. I think even, okay, yeah, the snow is the same. So cute. So for those who are wondering how to get these, depending on how much you spend, depending on your relationship with your client advisor, the client advisor pretty much recommends their top clients to the manager. Then the manager of the store will submit those names to headquarters because the gift actually came from Chanel HQ. It didn't come from the local, Chanel boutique where I shop. It came from headquarters, and it probably depends on your store. Slightly different design, but very cute. I love these snow globes. Okay, next I wanted to share something really exciting. If you have been following my channel for a while, you might know that one of my favorite jewelry designers is Idol Jewelry. Their stuff is 100% ethical, it's sustainable, but because they are lab-grown diamonds, they are 100% ethically sourced. You don't have to worry about where they came from. And I just love their designs also. My most used necklace is this Idol Evil Eye necklace. You might have seen this in pretty much all my pictures, all my Instagram stories. I wear this all the time. I get so many compliments on it. I love to layer it. I also have the matching Evil Eye earrings. What I also love about Idol is that a lot of their jewelry is modular. So a lot of their earrings can convert to necklaces and vice versa. So it kind of cuts down on the pieces you need in your collection, especially when you're traveling. And speaking of travel, when I was going to the Philippines, I brought along with me my Idol travel jewelry pouch. And I posted pictures of this on my Instagram stories when I was traveling, but this is such a great little case. Every single order comes with a free goodie, whether it is the luxury leather travel case that zips, or one of my favorites and most used is the just padded little pouch. I love this little pouch. So at this point I have several of their earrings and necklaces, and I was begging for them to bring back their bracelets because they came out with bracelets a little bit ago. It was a limited edition collection, but I am so excited to share that they finally brought them back. And for a limited time, they have a 2 for 20 off sale. So from February 24 until February 28, if you get 2 bracelets, you can get it for 20% off. Now their bracelets come in a few different designs. Here I have the Force and Glow. I just love the graduated sizes of the diamond. And then here you have kind of like a mini cross. What is really interesting about this is because they love stacking, so a lot of their jewelry, by the way, is meant to be stacked. You have their earring stacks, their necklaces can be layered. So the bracelets can also be stacked. These are 2 bracelets, but the way they come together is through this clasp here on the back. So just like the necklaces have an adjustable length, the bracelets have an adjustable length. I have it on longest just to show you. You can have it more fitted if you want, but they clasp on the one side here, and then the clasp can adjust to whichever length you want. I love their bracelets. I have their bracelets in rose gold, but they are available in yellow gold or white gold. But I honestly like to mix my metals a lot, so I usually will wear all 3 at once. But I love the rose gold, especially it's so dainty. For me, like for my complexion. I think the rose gold kind of almost disappears on my skin. So it looks like the diamonds are kind of just floating there, which I love about rose gold. They have some other designs that are also very pretty. So depending on your style, you can pick the ones you want and then, you know, kind of stack them. These look so great layered with other bracelets. If you have an existing tennis bracelet or any other kind of a cuff or solid gold bracelet, it would look so pretty. I can't wait to stack these with all my other jewelry. I do have a promo code with Idol. This video is not sponsored by Idol, by the way. I just wanted to share their new bracelets. But again, if you are interested in checking out their new bracelets, they have a 20% off promo that is going to expire in 48 hours by the time this video goes up. So make sure you take advantage of the sale while it's still going on. And then finally, one thing I got from my trip to the Philippines, I do have a few videos coming up, including a full shopping vlog and haul that I got from shopping the Mall of Asia, which is the biggest mall in the Philippines. And then I went shopping in Greenbelt, which is like their luxury row. It had Hermes, Cartier, you know, all the stores, LV. Got some exciting stuff from there. So that video will be forthcoming. But I posted teasers of this in my Instagram stories the day I left because I got something from Hermes in the duty-free shops at San Francisco airport. So before I even left the country, I went shopping. I was originally supposed to fly out of LAX direct to Manila, and that flight just totally got canceled. They didn't even reschedule it. It just got canceled, and I was so frazzled trying to reschedule it. They were able to get me onto a flight out of San Fran instead. So I had to, you know, reschedule everything else and rebook my flight from the first leg, whatever. I wasn't prepared for my San Francisco flight. So I was very pleasantly surprised to see a whole row of luxury stores as soon as I got out of TSA. The first store I saw was YSL, there was Gucci, Burberry, and Hermes. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Whenever I go into Hermes, I usually have a very open mind because, again, their quantities are so limited. So I saw something that I was like, oh my God, I have kind of been thinking that I wanted it, but I wasn't like gonna go and drive to the store. It just was happenstance that it was something that was kind of on my wish list. So anyway, but here it is. I've already worn it. I don't know if you can tell from the box because I feel like the box isn't very obvious about what's inside, but anyway, let me just show it to you. Here it is. I got a pair of shoes. Here's a little care booklet. I'll give you a hint. My son thought it was bear fur. He was like, your bear fur shoes. I got my first pair of Oran sandals, but in the sheepskin material, wool. I am not a huge fan of the Oran sandals. Mostly because I think my feet are on the wider side and I feel like it's just not flattering on my foot, at least in the regular leather. And also they weren't comfortable. Like I don't find them to be comfortable, the leather ones. But when I tried these on, they're like bedroom slippers. And I mean, maybe they look like bedroom slippers, but I don't care. I love them. I wore them in store. I was so excited. I was so excited that I almost bought a size that was way too big for me. It was the size 38 and I'm normally at 36. And it was they were like, oh, it's the only one we have. And I said, okay, well, maybe I can make it work. And they're like, no, it's too big. Like it was really long. And luckily she was able to find a 37. They recommend you go half a size up anyway. And so in this case, I went a full size up and it's perfect. So I got them, I already wore them. I didn't wear them throughout my trip to the Philippines, like when we were sightseeing, because some of the streets are, you know, it's a little messy, it's a little dirty. It was very rainy also. But I did wear these when we went shopping in Greenbelt in Manila, and they're so comfy, so comfy. I would consider getting this in another color if I see it. That's how comfortable they are. So I've already worn these just inside. That's how it is worn already. But my first pair of Hermes Oran sandals, look how fuzzy. So because I got this from duty free, I did not have to pay any tax. So it wasn't cheaper necessarily, I just didn't pay tax. It was the same price. These retail for $860. I paid $860, no tax. I think the regular Oran leather sandals are $660, but I just love these. So cute. So my first pair of Hermes Oran, unexpected, from the Hermes duty-free store in San Francisco. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of a chaotic video of just a few things that I got since I returned home from my trip. Again, if you're interested in stacking these beautiful Idol bracelets, They have a great promo right now, 2 for $20 off. Check out my link in the description below. And also stay tuned for my other vlogs and shopping hauls and pack with me's and what I packed. I have a lot more videos coming up. I'm still unpacking and like getting settled for my return. You know how it is when you get back from vacation. It's just craziness all around. Let me know if you guys got the Chanel Snow Globe this year or any other VIP gift. Their gifts are such a nice little treat to come home to after a long trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.